want that, this double up. I bought a match, had a double of the profit. The last night, trying to the
Hey guys, welcome back to Magic Gimmick Tutorials, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing the Now You See Me 2 Magic Kit. So as soon as I open the box, I have the instructional manual that includes 150 tricks, 150 plus tricks, Now You See Me 2 instructional manual. So it does come with 3 cards here that you can do the 3 card Monty trick with, as you can see here. So that's cool. It also shows you all the tricks that you can possibly do with what you've got here. So as I skip through, it does show you a lot of cool tricks. It even shows you, if I can find that, this trick is actually pretty cool. Silent transmission 1 to 20. So that's also a cool trick. It tells you how to use the cards and each deck, what it does. So I'll set that aside. We have the thumb tip here, which you can use to vanish things. So I'm not going to go in depth with each gimmick. So I'll put that back in. So the next thing we have is sort of an invisible bottle cap that you can use to levitate water, and has a hole inside so you can stick toothpicks while the water's levitating, which is pretty cool. We have a key. We have a bunch of keys and a lock for the Houdini chain escape effect. So it's just a small lock we have. So I'll put that back. So next up we have the chain itself for the Houdini chain escape. As you can see, it's solid chain, not going to break. So I'll put that back in. The kit does come with a magnet to stick the chain on like that. I don't know if you could see that. I'll move it forward. So it just sticks there. So for easy packing away. So now we have 2 large paper clips. You can do a lot of magic tricks with them. They explain all of it in the Now You See Me 2 instruction manual. This is by far my favorite gimmick. It has a bunch of invisible thread with magician's wax here you can use for basically any levitation trick. I'm going to do a video on how to use this thread here to make your own tarantula tooth thread and add it to the spool if you run out. So make sure you check that video out when it's uploaded. So next up we have the invisible deck here. Now there are 2 decks. One is the mark deck and the other one is the invisible deck. So yeah, I'll just show you what these cards look like. I won't go in depth in the actual trick. So basically they're double backed, and basically the effect is when a spectator thinks of a card, they tell you the card, you pull out the deck and it's magically flipped over. But yeah, so I'll put that back in the box. Next up we have just the normal playing cards. They are marked as well here. So yeah, they do tell you how to use the mark deck, and it also does come with a double backer, which is pretty cool. I didn't know that. So yeah, so that's all we have today in this magic kit. It's pretty cool, very cheap, good for a budget magic kit. But if you have enough money to get a bigger one, I do suggest you do that. This magic kit is for like tight budget people, and it doesn't include like a lot of things, but it does include 150 tricks. If you have enough money, I do recommend buying a Constantino magic kit. They're very, very good. They have like a bunch of gimmicks that you can do. I've done a review on it. Definitely go check it out. So make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe, and see ya.